Okay, this is how to set up the Bitcoin wallet software in Windows 10. This is January 26, 2018. So our first step will be to go to bitcoin.org, which I have here. And then from here, we will click Get Started with Bitcoin and choose your wallet. So the wallets listed on this page are ArcBit, Bitcoin Knots, Electrum, Green Address, Msigna, Armory, and Bither. If you click on each one of these, it'll tell you a little blurb about it. But the main thing is it'll tell you something specific. So I'm going to go through the categories here. The categories are control over your money. This means no third party can freeze or lose your funds. The next bullet here is validation. The Bitcoin core is a full node that validates and relays the transactions. Some of these others are not. There is no trust in third parties required. Transparency is the wallet open source. Vulnerable environment. That's kind of a misflag here. Is that it says it can be loaded onto a computer with malware. Basically, any computer can have malware, so that's kind of a misflag. But any wallet that stores your coin locally will be flagged as a vulnerable environment. Privacy. Does the wallet send non-transaction information to other nodes? Downsides to this are it could log your IP address and other information. And also, can the Tor proxy be used to be able to get around that? Another thing is two-factor authentication. Does the wallet support or offer two-factor authentication, which would be basically when you go to log into it, it'd send a code to your phone or other device prompting you to enter in a different code in order to log in. And finally, do you have full control over the fees? Does the wallet offer transaction fee suggestions? This is important because if the fee is too low, the transaction may never be confirmed. So taking those factors into consideration, you can choose the wallet software you're most comfortable with. In this video, I'll be installing the Bitcoin Core wallet. So I'm going to click Windows and install. I'm running a 64-bit installation of Windows. For those of you that don't know if you're using 64 or 32-bit, hit the Windows pause break key on your keyboard. Hold Windows, hit the pause break key. It'll tell you whether you're running 32 or 64-bit. And then after getting the 64-bit installer, and double click on it, and user account control. Do you want to allow this application to make changes to your device? So sure, why not? And then it'll go through the Bitcoin Core 64-bit setup wizard, and then put it where you need it. In this particular case, I need it in E. Slash Bitcoin. And next, install. And I got this error because I already had it installed, so click retry. And then we hit next, and then check the box to run it, click finish. We'll start loading it up. Recent transactions may not yet be visible. That's because it has to catch up to the whole blockchain. It started off at about 9 years and 5 months behind. So it says synchronizing with network. Once it is all caught up, this will not even have a bar at the bottom of it. So it tells you how many blocks you've processed, how many active connections you have to the Bitcoin network. HD key generation is enabled, and units to show your amounts in. You can change that to show different, like if you want it to show micro Bitcoin or mini Bitcoin. And since this wallet doesn't have anything in it, it's a bit more difficult to actually show that. But you can go up here to File and then Receiving Addresses. It'll tell you the addresses that you have currently on this machine that are able to receive the Bitcoin. And then also, if you would like a guide for any other operating systems, leave me a comment and or email me. I've got k.thebitcoinmine@gmail.com open for suggestions and questions and different operating systems. Or if you're having issues, contact me on Discord. If you check out below this particular video, it's got the Discord address. So that's the basics of getting the wallet installed and up and running. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.